Hello friends and welcome back to channel House to Home. This episode is on grape soda recipe, a very quick and easy mocktail with grape as the base. And for this I have taken 200 grams of black grapes, half a cup of powdered sugar. You can also use sugar syrup instead of this. Juice of 1 lime. You also require bottled soda. I am using Sprite here. You can also use any unflavored soda of your choice. Bloom chia seeds. So these are all the ingredients and now let's start making. At first take a blending jar and add in the grapes to this and make this into a smooth puree. Let's filter out the juice from it. Extract as much of juice as possible. Discard the skin and the seeds from this juice. That's it, our juice is ready. Now we are going to add in the lemon syrup and give this a very good mix. Let's also add in the powdered sugar and dissolve it completely in the sugar into the juice. Mix well and keep this aside. And now take a serving glass and add in the grape juice. Now let's add in the ice cubes. The more the ice cubes, the more the good. This mocktail is really cool and refreshing. Now let's add in few whole grapes to add up some color. After that, now let's layer at the chia seeds. Chia seeds is highly rich in omega-3. Now fill it up with the soda. And that's it. Our grape soda is ready. It's really very much flavored and refreshing too. Hope you will give this recipe out a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Also support us, follow us on social media, subscribe, like. Thanks for watching House to Home.